I'm back with an explanation. Welcome back to Engineering ADHD, the channel where we try to make sense of this crazy thing known as ADHD. I know it's been a few months since I posted. I'm sorry. The COVID thing really kind of threw my mental health for a loop. I was having a hard time doing it. Like the last video I said that this virus is ruining my life. I found out a lot about myself through this quarantine. And there's a lot of things that apparently are very dependent on my ability to be social with people. It brought me to a dark place, and I'm sure I'm not the only one out there that it did this to. But I continued posting on the other channel, and I want to take a moment to explain why. The other channel, I can hide behind the projects. I can hide behind the science, and I can just be the guy showing you how to do something. This channel, we're talking about the inner workings of at least my mind. And I'm hoping that some of this resonates with you guys too. And we find out that we're not alone. And I didn't think I had the mental capability to be that open and to do these videos justice. So, it took me a few months to reboot, and it took me a few months to get back. I don't know where you live. Right now, Canada is reopening. We are not seeing huge spiking COVID cases, which is kind of good. Most people are wearing masks. If you're not wearing a mask, stop being stupid, wear a mask. Right? It's simple science. And I think it's time to get back to this. Our first video out the gate, which will be next Saturday, starting back on my every Saturday schedule, is going to be ADHD and stress. I've had some significant stressors in my life lately, not just COVID. And I want to talk about how those have interacted with my brain and what the difference between a neurotypical brain for processing stress and a neuroatypical brain for processing stress, and talk about some of the strategies and some of the roles that I've used and ways I've dealt with hugely stressful situations in my life. I think it's an important discussion to have. So once again, I'm very sorry for disappearing for a couple of months there. I didn't feel I could do the heavy topics. I didn't feel I could be as real with you guys as I needed to be. This channel, for me, always has to be about finding similarities and finding solutions and working through how my brain operates and how I think most ADHD brains operate. Discussing why that seems to be, right? What is in the scientific journals, what is in the research that we know of, to try and decipher what's going on and bring that knowledge to you. This is, for me, a place where I have to be very real. And if I ever feel like I can't be real, then I'm not shooting the video. It's just that simple. So, again, I apologize. Took a couple of months off to regroup and figure out where I'm going and how I'm going to get there. And I'm back. And I'm happy to be back, don't get me wrong. I don't have my entire social network that I usually do. I really don't like the working from home thing, but we're dealing with it. It's a new world out there, and post-COVID, or no, I guess not post-COVID, mid-COVID, we need to adapt, and we need to move forward. And it took me a while to reboot, but I'm back. Any questions, any comments, any video ideas, any topics you want me to cover, comments down below. I love to hear from you guys. We're all in this together. Let's figure this out, and let's move forward. I want to thank you for joining me on Engineering ADHD. Remember, there will always be somebody who does not see the unique gifts of your mind. Don't let that person be you.